Welcome to Cozy Home Interior. What if the biggest problem in most New York City apartments isn't the size at all, but the way the space is being used? Many people assume a small apartment will always feel cramped, cluttered, and limiting. But what if a few smart design changes could make the same apartment feel significantly larger, brighter, and more functional without adding a single square foot? From living rooms that appear twice as spacious, to bedrooms with hidden storage, compact kitchens with surprising functionality, luxury-inspired bathrooms, organized entryways, and productive home office corners, some of the most effective solutions are often hiding in plain sight. Today, we'll explore 6 design strategies that are transforming New York City apartments and changing how people experience small space living. Some of these ideas may completely change the way you think about apartment design. In many New York City apartments, the entryway is incredibly small, yet it plays a major role in shaping the entire perception of the home. A cluttered entrance immediately makes compact New York City apartments feel tighter and more chaotic, while a well-organized entry creates the illusion of a cleaner and more spacious interior. One of the most practical solutions is using a slim bench with hidden shoe storage underneath. This combines seating and organization without consuming unnecessary floor space. Wall hooks are also far more efficient than bulky standing coat racks because they keep vertical space functional while preserving circulation areas. Mirrors positioned near the entrance are especially useful in New York City apartments because they reflect light and visually extend narrow hallways. A narrow console table can provide storage for daily essentials without overwhelming compact layouts. Bright lighting in entryways also improves the transition between spaces, helping small New York City apartments feel more open from the moment someone enters. Vertical organizers for keys, bags, and mail reduce clutter accumulation and maintain a cleaner, more efficient daily routine. In many New York City apartments, the living room functions as a lounge, workspace, dining area, and sometimes even a sleeping zone. That is why vertical storage becomes one of the smartest design strategies for maximizing limited square footage. Floating shelves installed all the way to the ceiling naturally pull the eyes upward, creating the illusion of taller walls and a larger interior volume. In compact New York City apartments, closed storage cabinets are far more effective than open shelving because they reduce visual clutter, which psychologically makes rooms feel calmer and bigger. Another highly effective trick is choosing sofas with exposed legs instead of bulky furniture sitting directly on the floor. This allows more visible flooring, increasing the perception of openness. Large mirrors placed opposite windows help reflect natural light deeper into small New York City apartments, dramatically brightening the space. Using one oversized rug instead of several smaller rugs also prevents the room from feeling fragmented and visually crowded. Bedrooms inside many New York City apartments must perform multiple functions at once, including sleeping, clothing storage, relaxation, and sometimes even remote work. Because floor space is extremely limited, the layout strategy becomes more important than the actual room size. One of the most effective upgrades for compact New York City apartments is choosing a bed frame with built-in storage drawers underneath. This eliminates the need for additional bulky cabinets while maximizing hidden storage capacity. Positioning the bed against a wall also improves circulation space, making the bedroom feel more open and easier to navigate. In many New York City apartments, headboards with hidden compartments replace oversized nightstands and reduce unnecessary furniture. Sliding door wardrobes are another space-saving solution because they eliminate door clearance requirements common in traditional closets. Full-height curtains installed from ceiling to floor visually stretch wall height and create the illusion of taller ceilings. Light-colored bedding with minimal patterns keeps compact New York City apartments feeling cleaner and calmer, while wall sconces free up surface space and improve functionality in tight bedroom layouts. As remote work becomes increasingly common, many New York City apartments must now include a functional workspace without sacrificing valuable living space. Because compact layouts cannot support oversized office furniture, efficient design becomes essential for maintaining both productivity and visual openness. One of the smartest solutions for New York City apartments is using a wall-mounted desk instead of a traditional office table. This keeps the floor area more open and prevents the room from feeling overcrowded. Compact ergonomic chairs are also highly effective because they provide comfort while maintaining a smaller visual footprint. Floating shelves above the desk maximize vertical storage for documents, office supplies, and technology without occupying additional floor space. Neutral colors help the workspace blend naturally into the rest of New York City apartments, reducing visual separation and making the room feel calmer. Proper cable management is equally important because exposed wires instantly create clutter in small interiors. Focused task lighting improves concentration while giving compact work areas a more professional atmosphere. Foldable desks are especially practical in New York City apartments because they can disappear after work hours, instantly restoring open living space. Bathrooms inside many New York City apartments are often extremely compact, but smart material selection and lighting design can completely transform how spacious they feel. One of the most effective upgrades for small New York City apartments is installing a floating vanity instead of a full base cabinet. Because the floor remains visible underneath, the bathroom instantly appears larger and less visually heavy. Transparent shower glass is another important design strategy because it keeps sight lines uninterrupted, allowing narrow bathrooms in New York City apartments to feel longer and more open. Large format tiles also improve visual continuity since fewer grout lines create a cleaner and less cluttered appearance. Vertical storage above the toilet or behind the door helps maximize unused areas without overcrowding the room. In many New York City apartments, white and soft gray finishes are commonly used because they reflect limited natural light more effectively. Mirror cabinets provide hidden storage while maintaining a sleek look, and warm white lighting adds a refined atmosphere that makes compact bathrooms in New York City apartments feel similar to upscale boutique hotel interiors. In many New York City apartments, the kitchen is one of the smallest yet hardest working spaces in the entire home. Because square footage is extremely limited, every inch must support both movement and functionality. One of the smartest upgrades for New York City apartments is using magnetic wall organizers and pegboards to move cooking tools off the countertop and onto vertical surfaces. This instantly creates more usable prep space while making the kitchen feel less crowded. Ceiling height cabinets are another highly effective solution because most compact New York City apartments waste valuable storage space near the ceiling. Foldable dining tables or wall-mounted tables also improve flexibility by allowing dining surfaces to disappear when not in use. Slim appliances such as narrow refrigerators and compact dishwashers preserve walking clearance and improve workflow efficiency. Under-cabinet lighting is especially important in small New York City apartments because it removes dark shadows that visually shrink the kitchen. Light-colored cabinets paired with reflective backsplashes bounce light throughout the room, creating a cleaner, brighter, and far more spacious appearance overall.